You are not born to simply exist. It's time for you to live fully. It's time for you to laugh. It's time for you to get your peace back. It's time for you to get your joy back. It's time for you to get fired up about your future. Worrying stalls you. Worrying diminishes your creativity. You've got to be intentional about your happiness. You got to be intentional about your joy. See, it's going to take intentional effort, but you can get to a place where what stressed you out before no longer bothers you. And don't ever say to yourself, I can't help but worry, because worrying has become a habit. It's not who you are. And you have more control over your mind than you realize. So just as soon as that urge to worry pops into your mind, you should immediately shift your inner conversation. Encourage yourself. Call out the inaccurate beliefs. Envision yourself winning. And when you speak winning. You speak resilience. You speak tenacity, right? You speak hope. You've got to mentally claim your victory before you actually experience it. Get focused, gather your thoughts, and strategize your way out. You will always find what you are looking for. So try looking for an unexpected opportunity. Try looking for an unexpected blessing, an unexpected gift. Try looking for everything around you to get better. Claim your peace, claim your joy, and don't be afraid to contend with your biggest challenge until it's no longer a challenge. Yes, life can be difficult, but I want you to take this moment to decide that you will not live a life full of worry. Instead, I want you to figure out what makes you happy. I want you to spend your time with people who bring the best out of you. You've come too far to stop now. You've got so much more to do. You've got so much more to see.